Tesla solar panels, there's a chance that that is signed by Elon Musk. Big things are happening at our house today, and I'm not talking about the giant 12-foot tall, 3D printed, 6,000 pound statue of my friend Jerry Rig Everything, which we are going to take apart and see what's inside of, and it's kind of crazy what's inside of that. But no, a year ago we made a video called Why We Are Not Getting Tesla Solar. Tesla would not even come to our little town in southern Utah.
No.
Because they didn't have certified installers. We told them that we would pay extra to have somebody come from Las Vegas or from Salt Lake City for them to install it, and they basically just said
no.
We had a Tesla Powerwall that was going to be for free.
No.
They couldn't even ship it to us because there were no certified installers here. So fast forward now, 12 months later, here's where we're at. Because he had certified installers in his area, I had them ship the Tesla Powerwall to my friend Zach from Jerry Rig Everything, but somebody from Tesla was really cool. One of the regional managers called me personally and said, do you know any solar installers in your area that we could certify to become installers? What do we need to do to get it in your town? So it took about 6 months, but I did know some people. They went through the Tesla training, they got certified, and now right behind me is Tesla Solar. Today is the day we are getting it installed on our house. We're doing it in 3 different places. I wanna show you the process, how it works, and then also show you the results, because I'm excited to see how good is Tesla Solar really? Is it worth the cost and the hassle of putting them on your roof? Now, a lot of you are going to be saying,
but wait a second, I thought Tesla had tiles that look just like roof tiles that go on your roof so it looks seamless, so it doesn't even look like you have solar.
Yes, they do have that, but they also have another option where it's actually that are solar panels, like traditional solar panels and what you see. And over the last couple of years, Tesla has dropped the price of these dramatically to where it is very affordable. The cost of energy in our town is not super expensive, but still, solar is helpful to have. So first things first, let's go up on the roof and see what this looks like. The last time I was up on this roof, I stepped on these tiles and they broke. Oh! I broke one. The roofers did tell me that
over time, they will harden with the weather.
Either I've lost a lot of weight or they are hardened. I'm scared to walk on it. Okay. These are the tiles that we have on our roof right now, which is different than a lot of you that have asphalt shingles. It makes it a little easier to put the brackets on. Because we have these giant clay tiles, you have to get a specific kind of bracket. All right, what is this bracket that we're putting on?
Yeah, it's a snapping rack flashing. And then this is the riser and then the base plate that slides on there, seals off and has some rubber gaskets below and above. And then flush on there. Let that lip sit right in there. This out just a hair so we don't scrape it up. Let this down with ease. Slide in there pretty good. Let that go.
That's it, wow. You just lift those things up, put them down. So now that we've got this cover on here, we're gonna put the foot and like a rubber bolt with like a little seal on it so that it keeps the water out. Next step is to get the rails and you put them on there, get the rails all secure. Then you put what's called optimizers on there, and they're like a little electronics things that measure how much energy is coming in and out and also have a shut off so that you don't get shocked. And basically that's what you put on before you take the panels and put it on there and connect it so that it can capture all the beautiful energy from the sun and charge my electric car. Pretty easy. Today things are getting real. We have an official Tesla Energy truck. No, it is not the Cybertruck. I'm sure next year all of them will be Tesla Energy Cybertrucks. It's a Ford F-150. That's nice, at least they know what a good truck is, because Ford F-150s, they're good trucks. Every single solar panel is actually on the roof right now, like everyone. They are not connected to the electronic system, so that is the next step right now. They are running wires all throughout the house, all throughout the attic. It's kind of a pain to have to go run all the wires everywhere. I feel bad for him, like this is a hard thing to go into a house. We should have planned better when we built the house. This box right here is what's called the gateway. And this gateway is covered by this beautiful white glass cover. This box right here is also a gateway. If we open it up, let's see if it'll open. But obviously this does not look as good as what the glass gateway looks like over there. This is what Tesla sent with the free referral Powerwall. So it is really nice that I got this brand new, the latest edition glass gateway with all of the different parts that will work for our huge house. But I also had to spend an extra $1,000 just to get that. Also a little sneak peek. Here's the Powerwall. And look under there, it's red. It's a red Powerwall. There's a chance that that is signed by Elon Musk, because I know he signed a lot of the rewarded ones that went out to people, and it would be so cool if I had a red signed by Elon Musk Powerwall outside of my garage. So that'll be fun. Once we get it up on the wall, we'll rip all that off and we'll see if it's signed. Do you want to see what it looks like with all the solar panels? So there we go, all along the RV garage. They are incredibly dusty right now. So dusty. So we'll have to spray those off before we use them, but there's all the panels. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21. So we've got 21 on this roof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this roof. And then on this roof right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. If my count is right, we have 12 on this roof. Man, they are so dusty. I'm gonna have to come out here and clean these things all the time. So if my math is right, that's 12. I don't know, here's the number. I don't even remember what the second roof had, or the first one was 21. 40? 40, I think we have 40 panels. I don't know, I could be wrong. South-facing solar would make so much more sense, but we don't want to put them on the front of our house because, while I don't mind them on the RV garage, I definitely don't want them on the front of my house. That could be very ugly.
They're coming, they're coming.
Look at the size of that poop. Look at that, it's almost as big as my hand, and it's everywhere. They just are pooping all over the pool. Have they pooped on Zach? We still have Zach's hat on, so I don't see really much poop. But that is an attack. That is an attack. And that across my solar panels is an attack. Every January, these birds come. If you remember last year, we did a video on the birds pooping on our house. They pooped everywhere. It was an attack on our house, it really was. Turns out every January they come and they eat these little berries that are on the trees over there. And it's just the perfect time of year where they came south, I don't know. And they're just here living, there's a pond down the road, and they just hang out here and decide to poop on our lawn and everywhere. Hey, get out of here, birds! Get out of here! This is a pole that is 30 feet long with bristles on the end of it, like a brush, and then the water squirts out of those two places. But look how long that is. 3 months later. So check this out. It has been a few months that we've had solar on our house, and it just wasn't enough. Like, it's probably 10% of the energy that we need for our house. So I've made a decision. Instead of having 36 panels on our house, we are going to have more. I need to do quick math. 36 plus 20 is 46. Good math. Okay, so no, that's 56. I'm so dumb. We're going to have 56 panels on our house, and so right now we got these new ones here. And if you've never seen solar panels like not on a house, they're actually quite light. We're gonna put them on the back of our studio and then also on top of the patio. We can put 6 on top of the patio and another 12 on the other side, and then there's 2 that aren't working. We use a lot of energy. I mean, we have 4 electric cars. That takes up a lot of energy. And then of course we do have like 6 air conditioning units. It's a big house. These are really tall solar panels. They're about 6 feet tall and they produce a maximum of 340 watts. I think it's watts. So they're good solar panels and they're from Tesla. These are Tesla solar panels. There we go. The 2 are in here. This one's the red one. We're thinking maybe right here on this wall. This is the white one. We're thinking over here on this wall. Ooh, I just want to pull all of that off right now. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till it's up on the wall just to be safe. This is the moment. The power walls have been installed. We've been testing them out. They work on the system. It's right now capturing the sun's rays, and it's more than our house needs, and it's filling up these battery packs right now. So what we need to do is we need to take off the plastic cover, this thing, so it looks prettier. On the side, you can see the green light is just shining. It's like pulsing that tells you that the energy is actually going into the battery pack right now, into the power wall. Because this one came from Tesla as a reward, it could have a signature on there from Elon Musk.
I didn't know that it might have a signature, so you really don't know?
You might have Elon Musk signature.
Okay,
Some
and I
people
didn't
say.
know that was $8,000 also.
You didn't know that either.
I didn't know that.
We're learning things.
That's a lot.
It is a lot.
I don't know.
Fun fact, like we interviewed Bill Gates a couple of weeks ago and we asked him about the Tesla power walls and the batteries, and that is one of the things he said. He said that it's too expensive.
Batteries are very expensive in terms of that type of grid storage. We've gotten good enough for the battery for the electric car, but the grid battery has to be about 20 times cheaper. And I don't know if we can do it or not.
It's not just Tesla, it's LG Chem, it's all of the battery manufacturers. They need to bring the cost down so that it can be more affordable. Otherwise you're paying so much money just to get some energy from the sun that sometimes it doesn't make as much sense financially. Here we go, it's time, satisfaction time.
Okay, sorry. It's harder than it looks. Okay. That's not bad. I like that it's white and that it blends into the wall.
Yes. Let's see. And is Elon Musk signature on here?
Oh my god!
Oh, it looks so good!
It looks so good, but where's the signature?
No signature! I've seen lots of other YouTubers get the signature because it's a reward one. I mean, I get it, the guy is busy, but oh, that looks good. See, I know you like the white,
I
but the
know.
red looks so good.
I wish that I don't care which color, but I wish that they matched.
Well, I like them both. We need to switch the cars. We need the red car on that side, and we need a white Roadster. Can we get another Roadster?
No.
Oh, that looks good.
Red is actually really nice.
It really stands out. It's like art. That's what I like about it. I like having some art. I love the interface on the app to be able to see exactly what is happening. The other day, the power went out in our neighborhood. And I know recently with the storms in Texas, it kind of highlighted that, hey, guess what? You can't always rely on the grid to give you power. All of the systems across the country, when it comes to power, the systems are, some of them are publicly owned, some are privately owned, and they've been around for decades. There's been so much growth and the infrastructure hasn't really kept up. There's going to be more outages. I don't care if you live in a beautiful sunny place like I live in, where it's like blue skies, or you live in somewhere like Florida where there's hurricanes, or you live somewhere in Texas where, guess what, every 100 years you might have a snowstorm. We can keep some of our house cold with the air conditioning unit in the summertime if the power's out with the power walls and with the solar power. And that is something that's just a peace of mind that I'm super incredibly grateful to have. This is not a cheap thing. It was expensive to get this, and the payoff is gonna take years and years for me to pay it off. If you're somebody that's considering getting Tesla roof tiles or Tesla solar or Tesla power walls, I will put a link in the description and right here on the screen to my Tesla referral code. So if you're somebody that learned something from this video and it encouraged you to get Tesla solar, feel free to click on my link, and it is an affiliate code. I think we do get some money for it, maybe a couple $100 if you buy Tesla solar. And I think you get something too, maybe a couple $100. I'm not sure what the full program is right now. But yeah, this is our journey. It's been a lot of fun. Oh, and check this out. If the audio is not so good right now, that's why. We got loud fall things going on right there.